A Medina company found a way to keep its own business afloat during the COVID-19 shutdowns while also helping local breweries. News 5's Olivia Fecto shows us they made it so you can drink beer and save the environment at the same time.
Lake Erie's beaches are popular places, even with social distancing. These Northeast Ohio men say they may have a way to help keep the lake and its beaches clean and healthy for years to come. Medina-based Rivalry Brews is working with 14 local breweries throughout Ohio, shipping beer directly to customers. Often beer they couldn't find in stores.
We are able to box up any beers that someone wants to ship and ship them out.
Rivalry Brews founder Adam Asker says the business had been in the works for 2 years. It finally came together 2 weeks before the pandemic. When COVID-19 hit, breweries were desperate to get their beers out.
When they had to close their tap rooms and their restaurants, we were able to step in and say, hey, we'll buy your beer and we're going to ship it to consumers.
We found a way that we were able to get some people back to work. In some of these breweries, they even reached out to us saying, hey, we got some people back working, we're canning your beer.
A portion of the profits Rivalry Brews makes shipping beer from Ohio breweries directly to customers will go toward Irresponsible, an environmental nonprofit that can use that money to help clean up Lake Erie.
Our goal is to preserve the health of Lake Erie for future generations. That includes its harbors and tributaries also.
Irresponsible President and Director Joshua Dykstra says the donations will help the nonprofit do more of the work it already does to clean up the lake, from buying nets and buckets to arranging for cleanups.
So we're trying to change the culture. We want people to think about what they're doing when they flick a cigarette or leave a beer can on a picnic bench, knowing that it all ends up in the lake one way or another.
The amount donated will range from 15% to 20% of the profits Rivalry Brews makes each quarter. One Rivalry Brews member plans to match the first quarter's donation out of his own pocket. Not only does all of this help keep Rivalry Brews in business, but these men say it helps Ohio's breweries and Lake Erie too.
We're able to help something in our community that directly benefits people that we know benefits ourselves as well, so we can enjoy these beautiful things that unfortunately sometimes we ruin ourselves.
Olivia Fecto, News 5.